Okay, so hello guys. In this video, we will talk about a trait in PHP. So it comes under the in OOPs. Okay, so basically we use a trait in a multiple inheritance. Okay, so we already talk about the multiple inheritance when we use multiple classes. Okay, and inherit that multiple classes in one class. So we can say that multiple inheritance. So let's see how we implement this. So simple. You have to, when you are working on the traits, so you have to define a trait and a class name, a class A, and take care any function. I'm taking care of function. Function name is get data, same, get data A, and echo echo something here, hello, get data A. Okay, and now we have to create another class, trait class B function get data B, echo hello, get data B. Okay, now we have to inherit both classes in C class. So make a class C and for inherit this class A class B, we use in our trait simple use keyword and class A and class B and colon semicolon. Okay, and now we have to make a object new and call to class C, and now we have to call the method object. First we call a get data A. Okay, and semicolon, and save this and run this php file name demo.php. Okay, so as you guys see this, hello get data, this comes here. So basically we are make a object of class C and call the get data A method. So get data A method is contain hello get data A. So hello get data A comes, and when we call B method, so it comes hello get data B. Okay, so like this you can use a trait basically used for multiple inheritance. So simple use here a trait to define a class, and then use here use keyword. That is simple. Okay, so we mostly cover the everything in OOPs. If anything is remaining, we will cover in a next video. So in a previous video, we already cover abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and your interface and your trait already covered, and your static method and static variable. Okay, so I think everything is covered in OOPs and basic of PHP. Okay. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.